Hello. Today I'm going to be showing whatever these things are. Let's find out what they are. So this, I think it's like this ape thing with long hair, big eyebrows, and very strong nose, pretty angry. Let's throw him aside. Okay. This guy looks mad too. Spiky hair, wearing a blue, purple-ish thing, but let's call him Spikey Guy. Oh, that guy should be Ape Guy. Yeah, probably. This guy, Silver Guy? I don't know, he has silver hair. No shirt. Oh, well, let's call him Silver Guy. That's pretty ripped up pants. Pretty strong. Moving with the rest. Okay, then we have, blue hair guy. Yeah, we should call him blue hair guy. Ooh, it's pretty cool. Kind of have the same match as that guy's clothes, but with the shirt on. Let's throw him aside. Blue hair guy. Oh, okay. Now, this one is the same as the gray hair guy. He looks definitely way nicer, cleaner, friendlier. And I think he's just chilling. Let's call him Chill Guy. Okay,